Hello, everybody. I'm Andy Ask again. Hey, I've been putting a lot of content out there, and I just thought I would stop and pause today. It's about 2.5 weeks into this new journey of mine, and just talk a little bit more in detail from my face-to-face about what I'm doing. So, as long as you know, I've struggled with jobs. I've had several jobs. I've done different things, many different things. My friends know that very well about me. I'm a jack of all trades, master of none mentality. And I was searching and seeking for an opportunity. I wasn't searching and seeking for another job, although I was close to that point where that's all that was left. I knew I wanted to do something big. So I had seen a lot of advertisements for and social media posts for this affiliated marketing and legendary marketer. And so I did some research, of course, and looked to it, and it was $7. It cost me $7 to get 15 days of online training that I get to keep. It stays on my computer for the rest of my life, and I can rewatch it and redo it. And really, what I got out of that was like a bachelor's degree in online digital affiliate marketing, and there's an opportunity to get a master's degree if you want it, but you can get a good education. That's what I did. And also from that, there's 3-4 different opportunities, skills you're going to learn that's going to help you in other streams of income as well. So, but for me, it's got my confidence back. I feel better about myself. I feel like I'm driven and on a purposeful mission. And I know some people won't agree with that. Some people will shake their head and scoff at me, and that's okay. I've gotten used to it. But I'm committed. I'm in on this, and I'm going to make this work. This has become, for me, the air I breathe. You know, my kids are everything to me. God is everything to me. You know, but really, this has got to work. I mean, it's not a got to work because the sky is falling. It's going to work. It's going to work. I've got surrounded by a host of mentors and teachers and support staff. I'm not on my own, but I'm on my own journey with these tools. So if that relates to you, if you've ever felt like that or been there or uncertain about your future right now with everything going on, if your job may be there, if you may be sitting at home for the next several months with kids because schools are going to get shut down, I don't know. But this has been a great 2.5 weeks. It's going to be a great journey. I'm so excited. So I wanted to make this video just to say that about myself, unscripted, unrehearsed, and just be uncandid because it has meant so much to me. And again, I'm going to show you. That's what this website looks like. You get that. You get to keep that and study it as often and as long as you need. It's work at your own pace. And that's the amazing thing, you know. I got my goals up there and my to-dos. I'm focused. I'm locked in and I'm ready to go. And I feel really, I feel really good about that. So again, this is Andy Ask. Hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out one of my links on any of my pages, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. My website link is a link to a link tree where I've got these ideas are in there, and these offers are available to you if you want to ask about them or check them out. So again, I appreciate everybody's watching and following me. And again, this is going to be an awesome journey. I can't wait. And some of you are going to be shocked. Let's go.